So hubby is on his way out to work and I'm gonna get ready to get my day started. Bye, babe. Have a great day. I love you. You need me to run in here? What do you want for dinner? I'll get right on it. Bye-bye. Go. Get out of here. Go to work. Y'all, so let's go ahead and get to the core of this video. Child, enough playing around with me. But I love to keep you laughing because I love to laugh. Laughing is good for the soul, baby. It keeps you from getting old. So, I always try to throw in a little humor in my videos, and sometimes I'm just, to the point, trying to be a little professional in some of the videos, but most of the time I like to laugh. Okay, so come on, y'all, let's go ahead and make this bed up. And the purpose of this video is to show you how I make a luxurious layered bedding. And I want to do this for the winter. When we come into winter, we normally have a little more covers and comforters and throws on our bed. But I'm in South Florida. We really don't need all of that, but I do like it for the look. So let's go ahead and get started. So welcome and welcome back. If you are new, then welcome. But if you are a returning family member, child, welcome back. Dust your feet off and come on in. And so guys, in this video today, I wanted to bring you a how-to on how I make my bed for the winter. And I want to do it by showing you how I layer my blankets and my comforters and my throws. So guys, come along with me, watch as I go ahead and make my bed, and also enjoy the little humor that I've thrown in for you guys. So again, I want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I cannot thank you enough for coming along with me on this journey. And as you all know, I have reached 2,000 subscribers and I could not have done it without you. You guys mean so much to me and you guys know how much I love you. So go ahead, sit back, enjoy the rest of the video. And like I always say, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye. got absolutely nothing done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.